Welcome. Let's explore the powerful world of marketing mix models. What's the secret to product success? Why do some products take off while others don't? What makes a product resonate? Let's dive into the concept that might answer these questions. We'll start with the classic approach, the 4P model, the foundation of marketing strategy. The model centers around the product and the company. Now let's explore the 7P model, which expands on the 4P, expanding for services. Tailored for the unique needs of service industries. Next up, the modern approach, the 4C model, from the customer's perspective. Moving from product centricity to customer centricity. So which model should you use, 4P, 7P, or 4C? It depends on your product, service, and goals. It's not either or, but and. Use them together. Let's put these models into practice. Choose a familiar product or service, then let's dive in. What did you notice? What insights did you gain? Let's reflect on what we've learned. Which model seemed most useful for your example? Why? How does the customer-centric view, 4C, change the perception of 4P/7P? Key insights and a call to action. It's important to understand your context and target audience. Choose one product and analyze it using 4C. Let's discuss your findings in a workshop format. Share your product/service analysis using the models. Questions, thoughts, and interaction with colleagues are highly encouraged.